Hello, everyone. Welcome to this quarter's market update. Wow, look at these numbers. The year-to-date results remain at 40% ahead of 2020 closings. The median sales price of single-family closings jumped another 10,000 to 405,000. These are definitely record numbers. And talking about numbers, guess who reached this milestone of 20 years in the business? Serving you in real estate and property management. Yours truly. Yes, that is crazy. Time definitely flies fast when you love what you do. Thank you for all your support. Everyone's support. Thank you for all your support. And thank you for your trust in me. It's definitely appreciated. Thank you. So let's get back to it. Back to the numbers. Let's take a closer look at what we just said earlier. The year-to-date single-family closings remain 40% ahead of 2020. Activity is definitely on the upswing at the moment. It looks like we will definitely pass 2020 in units sold if this keeps going. The median sales price jumped another 10,000, as shown in this graph. It's another 2.5% increase. If you remember, this was in the 355,000 range on my March 2021 update. It is interesting how this price point is getting so much action and some lower price condos are being ignored at the moment. Here's another slide that shows that median price, that increase of 100,000 in the last 19 months. Jumping into the single-family average closed sales price, now this figure jumped to 502,885. That average represents a 1.5% increase, which really just shows the strength of the high-end market. Resale closed units below 250,000 continue to shrink and make up less than 18% of all closings. Now, while that lower price properties shrink, the 400 to 700,000 price point has rapidly grown to 32% of all resale closings. Now, there was noticeably more cash transactions this month. That makes sense when we consider the overwhelmingly number of sales that are closing above appraised prices. However, there are more speculators and flippers entering this market. This one is interesting. We've heard of the news coverage that showed the lumber prices going up, and then now it's actually falling from its all-time high. At this time, this is not reflected on the home prices or even retail prices. Something to watch out for, since this may start an easing of real estate prices once demand softens. Finally, on rentals, the eviction moratorium, which is a constant moving date with the CDC and local ordinance, is finally showing some signs that it will either halt or at least require additional documentation for people that want to apply for it. At this time, it looks like evictions can resume unless a tenant is waiting for a result from an application for assistance. Yeah, that presentation is over. Well, that is all for now. Until the next market update. See you again.